We are at the start line finally. With my saviour Tom.
And you have too many gels.
It's a real hard start. Heart rate was 175. We had a little warm-up ride, romantic ride to the top. I don't know if it comes out in the camera, but there's a lot of flies around me. So it's 3 in the morning, feel pretty good. Man, I got so lost. Lost my GoPro. Try and push through and see how it goes, because you just don't know how you're going to deal with it until you try. Absolute monster climb. Checkpoint 1 in sight. Straight into another red climb. Slashed through the side of my tyre, which is maybe the worst place to get a puncture. It's taken about 5 hours to sort it. 200k, 10,000 metres. That can't be right. Hopefully that's a Koros piss take. Electrolyte check. It said 7k of undulating gravel road, and this is definitely not that.
I'm tired.
1,000 metre climb. Another one. Oh, my shins are battered, but and now it's downhill for 20 miles after a 1,500 metre climb to finish off. And of course, I got a puncture just before. Can't write it.
Whoever's GoPro this is, it's found at CP1. You'll get it back. That's it. Shredding to me means sending it.